Welcome to MINExpo 2021. I'm your host, Madison Alexander, coming to you live from the KOMATSU truck bed studio inside the Las Vegas Convention Center. We're going to take you through the KOMATSU display and show you a scalable path toward a more sustainable solution with innovations that can help you get the most out of your operation. From the surface to underground and hard rock or soft rock, and from drilling and blasting to loading and hauling and dozing, we've brought our latest innovations that help you drive towards your best in productivity and sustainability, with zero harm or priority. Now, during any point of this virtual booth tour, you can connect with our experts for any questions you may have. Today, I'm joined on this tour by fellow host Natalia Bilbao, who's down on the floor. Natalia, how are you?
Hello, Madison. I'm doing great. As we know, the COVID pandemic has had a dramatic impact on travel plans for many, but it hasn't stopped the enthusiasm for learning about the latest products and technologies here at MINExpo. Our first stop is underground hard rock. After years of collaborating with customers, a new drilling and bolting platform and LHD machine help deliver productive, sustainable solutions. I am standing today next to the KOMATSU WX07 load haul dump machine. It is ideal for small and narrow vein mines, particularly operations using cut and fill methods. The WX07 has been developed from the ground up with a whole new chassis, new powertrain, and an ergonomic operator cabin with enhanced visibility. You will appreciate that it's 14% more productive than its competitors. Madison?
Thank you for that, Natalia. Now, around the corner from where Natalia is standing now is a massive hard rock wall, and it showcases field footage of KOMATSU's new innovative hard rock cutting machine. It's the MC51 Dynacut. The MC51 Dynacut is a continuous miner that uses a unique dynamic undercutting technology that has no overbreak, so it has many advantages over drilling and blasting. And since it's fully electric, it can be more sustainable and require less ventilation needs. Remember, you can submit your questions directly on the site by clicking on the link below. Next up is a new concept in hard rock mining, a common platform for bolter and jumbo.
That is right, Madison. With this ZB21 small class bolter, the inner boom can be swapped out for a drilling feed system, converting it to a jumbo drill. And the same is true for ZJ jumbo drills on this platform. The inner boom can be changed out for bolting. Everything is identical from the rear skirt to the front arm. Even the controls are the same. This can make your operation more efficient, especially from a training, maintenance, and parts perspective. It is easier for operators to know the controls for both operations. Same thing with maintenance techs. You can upgrade your hard rock drilling with this ZJ32BI medium class development drill. It's also a common platform design and features a hosteless boom for reliability. The design eliminates the wear between the inner and outer boom tubes to maintain drilling accuracy over time and reduce maintenance. The B designation indicates this machine is battery powered for your drive toward zero emissions. And the I designation signals this machine has the intelligent computer system that enables semi-autonomous and driver-augmented operations for higher productivity and safety. Back to you, Madison.
Thank you for that overview of underground hard rock, Natalia. Remember, to learn more about how we can help you drive towards a more productive, sustainable operation, you can connect with an expert through the chat below. But now, it's time to head over and see what's new in underground soft rock mining. One of the latest innovations is a more advanced way of getting around underground.
That's right. Optimizing productivity is key, Madison, and we are going to look at how you can do that while making your operations more sustainable. The Joy BH18A battery hauler on the show floor features a new battery option, a lithium-ion battery. These new lithium-ion batteries charge in just 2.5 hours with no cooldown or maintenance and a life of 7 to 10 years. That is a major improvement over current lead-acid technology, enabling you to maximize equipment utilization and also help boost productivity.
Another way underground soft rock mines are improving efficiencies by leaps and bounds is with the advancement of autonomous features. Because no matter where you are on your automation journey, the team is here showing how they can work with you, where you're at and where you want to go, to help you realize the optimization that leads to high-producing, record-setting mines. People on the show floor are learning about some of those advanced technologies used on continuous miners, specifically the 12H M46 with a Titan cutter head. This new cutter head has 50% more power than other Joy continuous miners and the ability to be up to 70% more productive. And while room and pillar mining has been known for its exceptional production in coal, the fastest growing area is now in industrial minerals like potash and gypsum. But let's go back to the show floor where Natalia is, well, it looks like she's underground.
That is right, Madison, because while you can't fit a longwall operation into the convention center, Komatsu has taken us underground so you can experience the equipment at work. For today's challenging mining environment, Komatsu partners with you to create a complete, custom-engineered and automated longwall system to help you maximize productivity, reliability, with a focus on achieving zero harm. As you can see, they have a lot of longwall technologies on display today. Back to you, Madison.
Thank you, Natalia. Whether you are in underground mining or surface mining, when it comes to crushing and sizing, we at Komatsu offer a full family of options to suit your operation, even for underground hard rock. With flexible mobile options with lower upfront cost for your hard rock and aggregate crushing needs, you can be smart about your capital investment. And for an even lower upfront investment, there are rebuild options available as well. And Komatsu's Audit and Save program helps keep your current machine running like new. Just a reminder that experts are available to answer your questions about all of this stuff. Just click on the chat box in the lower right corner of your screen on the virtual event site and connect with a Komatsu representative. Now we're going to move over to surface mining, and we'll start where the process starts, drilling and blasting. We've been hearing about automation driving increased productivity and zero harm environments. And you know what? It's having a major impact on drilling. From stratification modeling to auto bit changing and pipe handling, you can check out some of the latest technologies on the ZR122 blast hole drill. For high productivity in drilling tough rock conditions, the ZR122 is a highly versatile option designed to help you achieve results, including in the extreme conditions of high altitude as well as low temperatures. But now let's get back to seeing more on the show floor. We know you're looking for a mining dozer that has power and stability, as well as solid performance. So we have Natalia at the new Komatsu D475A-8, which is designed for all of that while keeping your fuel use at a minimum.
That's right, Madison. Using an automatic lockup torque converter, the D475A-8 combines power and speed to improve cycle times, and it reduces fuel consumption. For this dozer, testing has shown an increase in productivity of up to 10% and 9% more net engine power in reverse over previous models. Also, it has a, dare I say, luxurious operator cab. There is a plus air suspension seat, ergonomic touch points, and amazing sightlines, all very important for productivity and talent acquisition and retention.
Well, thank you for all of that info. Now, where are you headed off to next, Natalia?
Well, Madison, I am headed over to look at some of the latest in the loading machines. The first in the lineup is the WE 1850-3 wheel loader.
Excellent. Now, while Natalia gets over there, I'm going to start by telling you this new wheel loader, that is, captures power during braking and retarding, stores it, and then uses it to boost power when needing to increase the productivity. It really is a great tool on the work site. Is that about right, Natalia? What do you think?
That's it in a nutshell, Madison.
Okay.
The SR hybrid drive system enables the wheel motors to become generators to capture that braking energy. That energy then gets stored in the kinetic energy storage system. When the machine needs more power for breakout or lifting, it uses that energy for a boost. And that translates to fast cycle times and potential fuel savings. The SR hybrid drive system and CAS system combination translates to some pretty impressive statistics, Madison. 45% less fuel consumption, 35% less CO2, and a 10 to 15% total cost of ownership advantage.
Komatsu wheel loaders are now a great option to deliver high production rates with low operating cost at a low capital investment. But we know there are many options when choosing the right loading tool for your operation. And there are many considerations that play into that equation. We're talking the mine layout, geological conditions, blasting techniques, just to name a few. Well, your first step in selecting the loading machines for your surface mining operation, it starts here. The Loading Selector Guide is a tool to help you narrow your options and prepare for a purchasing decision based on your operation needs. Now, let's take a look at one of the lowest cost per ton loading machines. It's the electric rope shovel. For high production loading, the P&H 4800 XPC electric rope shovel is engineered for productivity with a unique twin-leg handle design and powerful cutting force. Combining the cost per ton advantages of electric rope shovels with the mobility and selective digging advantages of hydraulic excavators is the P&H 2650CX hybrid shovel. It features that SR hybrid drive system to help you save on energy that's capturing energy naturally produced.
Speaking of hydraulic excavators, I am down on the floor by the PC 5500-11. These machines can be configured as front shovels or backhoes and feature fast cycle times, precise bucket movements, and excellent lifting capabilities. From a 360-degree bird's eye view for the operator, wide walkways for ample service access, to a newly developed evacuation system, there are a host of new features designed to help you drive toward zero harm.
And you can't talk about loading, of course, without talking about hauling. So down here on the show floor, actually the truck I'm in right now is the Power Agnostic haul truck. And you know what? It's billed as a bridge to a sustainable future. When it comes to haulage, many of you are concerned that the truck will outlast the power source with the zero emissions evolution that's happening so quickly. Well, Komatsu is developing technology for operations to upgrade and combine power sources as they are adopted. A truck might start as a diesel, then add a trolley, then maybe change to battery powered with a trolley. After that, who knows what technologies may be on the horizon. But Komatsu designs ensure that no matter what you have today or buy today, you'll have kits available to convert your trucks and meet your business objectives. In fact, helping you optimize your operation to meet your business objectives is the focus at the Smart Mining Tower right here in the booth. The experts can help you on your roadmap to scalable, sustainable solutions that prioritize safety and optimize your mining operations at an enterprise-wide level. Now, while we're talking technology, we have one more stop to make with Natalia. Where are you now, Natalia?
Well, Madison, I am now coming to you from Modular Mining, a Komatsu technology brand. We are at the forefront of connected technologies that address key operations, planning, equipment health, safety, and productivity needs. Here we are showcasing the new IntelliMine. It is a very exciting site, as you can see. It's one of the latest Komatsu technology models, and we will be sharing all this information with all of the people watching right now. It is very active, as we can see. It is called the IntelliMine system. This is what we're showcasing today in the platform. It is like an operating system for your mind, with the goal of making many different digital systems work together and enable minds to take advantage of new software technologies and innovations faster and easier. The goal, Madison, is safer, more predictable, and more efficient mining.
Very interesting stuff, Natalia. Now that wraps up our quick tour of the Komatsu booth at MINExpo 2021. But that's not the end of the resources that we have for you. This virtual event features video experiences on some of the most interesting and advanced areas here at the show. Plus, Product Spotlight features give you a 3-minute rundown on specific machines and technologies. And of course, all through the show, you can connect directly with Komatsu experts using those links below those videos and the Ask an Expert area in the virtual event site. I want to say thanks to all of you for watching. Have a great show. Bye-bye.